Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start with the base. In this video, I will show you how to make tom yum soup for hot pot. First, gather your fresh aromatics, about 2 stalks of lemongrass, a 2-inch piece of galangal, and 4 to 5 kaffir lime leaves. Bruise these gently to release their fragrant oils. Next, pour about 6 cups of chicken or vegetable stock into your pot. This forms the essential foundation for our delicious hot pot experience. Now let's build those iconic tom yum flavors. Add about 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, the juice of 2 fresh limes, and 2 tablespoons of tom yum chili paste to the simmering broth. For a spicy kick, include 2 to 3 fresh bird's eye chilies sliced. Taste and adjust the seasoning, aiming for a harmonious blend of sour, spicy, and savory notes that truly define tom yum. With your flavorful broth ready, it's time for the hot pot ingredients. Add about 1 pound of fresh shrimp, 1 cup of sliced mushrooms, and 2 cups of mixed vegetables like bok choy or enoki mushrooms. Allow these to simmer gently in the fragrant soup for just a few minutes until they are perfectly cooked through. Avoid overcooking to preserve their delightful textures and vibrant flavors. Your delicious tom yum hot pot is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it directly at the table, keeping the broth simmering gently. Provide small bowls for each guest to customize their portions. Garnish with a handful of fresh cilantro for an extra burst of freshness. This interactive meal is perfect for sharing, creating a wonderful and memorable dining experience with loved ones.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.